a box. Let's open it together. Is there my address? Nope. But look at this. Oh wow. And it says fragile, but it's broken. But that's cool. That's so amazing and fantastic. So, which way should I open it? Like this? Oh shit! Come on, man. There we go. I know what this is, but you guys don't. It's a surprise for you. It's a surprise for you. There we go. Hope everything's alright. There's the first little critter that we get today. It's a little lynx, like a bobcat kind of deal. The lighting is really bad. I'm sorry about that. I can't be asked to fix it right now. Second one. There we go. Ooh, nice. It's a caribou, or as we normal people call it, a reindeer. No shame if you call them caribou, but that's not what it's a reindeer. You can kind of see the antlers, and this big boy is what I was looking forward to the most. What's the word in English? It's like a mammoth, mastodon, something like that. It's actually super cute, but it's really small. I was hoping it's bigger. Like, it's the size of my hand, bro. Anyway, he's alright. He's maybe even smaller than the fucking reindeer. I don't care. He's a baby. He's a baby. And the two last ones. This one looks actually a lot bigger. It's a bear. He's about the same size as the mammoth. Okay, that's cool. He's cute. And the last one, but not least, bubble wrap. No. A canine boy. Can you guess what kind of canine? I've been collecting these silly little toys for a while, but I don't have a single wolf. Now I do. It looks okay. Yeah. I don't know what's up with the stripe on his back if you can see it, but it's alright. Yeah, he's cute. They were pretty cheap, so I'm not really sad that the mammoth the mammoth is so small. Yeah, whatever. He's cute. He's cute. Anyway, thanks for watching.